Hello, we're here today at Esley Equipment to look at this custom 8.5 by 38 drone trailer. Starting off with the front, we can see the gooseneck. There's a platform area in the front. There's a stairwell going to the top for the observation deck area. Underneath the riser is an access door for the hydraulic components. The driver and passenger side have a step-up area to get on the trailer. The flooring is a black ATP flooring. Rear barn style gate. The bottom does latch to keep one side closed, so you can open and close one side as you want to. You can release this in order to let both sides open. We can see our fender wells. The enclosed portion of the trailer does have a bar lock and an RV style flush lock. You can put a padlock across here for additional security if you want it. You'll see there will be a lock for the handle, a lock for the deadbolt. From the inside, you can control the deadbolt lock. You can see the keys here. The enclosed area is wood. There's a spring assist for the ramp. Side ramp has a transition flap. The door has a security chain. Keep it from flying away and damaging the trailer or the door. You see the stairwell up to the top observation area. The observation area is aluminum for the rails to make it lightweight. Folds down and latches together. This trailer does have its DOT lighting and tape. We can see the license plate bracket and light. The rear of the trailer has roller wheels to keep the back end from bottoming out. If you have any more questions on this drone trailer, feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a great day.